Making a still images project can be fun and very exciting. First, you will need to use Blogger.com to post an idea for your project. Don't worry, your idea may change later on. Then you need to script your project with Microsoft Word or any other word processing software. Here you will write down the narration for your project. After that, you will need to shoot your project. Take pictures of things in your project. Don't worry if they don't turn out the way you want. If you want your photos to work, you just need to work the shot. Just shoot them again or use a photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop. After you're finished taking and editing your pictures, you should import them to Adobe Premiere. Here you will be able to put motion to your pictures and make them flow together using keyframes and transition effects between slides. In addition to creating a still images project, you can add your narration and music. Whoa, watch out! You don't want the music to be too loud, it will drown out your narration. Now watch your project and edit it if needed. Now you have completed your still images video project.